I've returned back to my newsletter and I'd like to do a mail merge again, but this time I'd like to be a little bit more specific about who receives the letter. I only want to send this letter to the people who come from the city London or the city Madrid. So what I'm going to do, having returned to my newsletter, is I'm going to go to the Mailings tab in the ribbon. And in the Start Mail Merge group, I'm going to hit the Edit Recipient List button. This brings up the list of everybody I originally sent the letter to. But this time I'm going to click the Filter button. The Filter button enables me to filter out certain records, and I'm going to choose the field City. I'd like to filter out those records where the city is equal to London. I'm going to change and to or, choose City again, and put Madrid. So I'd like to filter out those records, i.e. I'd like to send this letter only to those records where the city is equal to London or the city is equal to Madrid. I'd also like to sort the merge results, so I'm going to click Sort Records at the top. I'm going to sort first of all by city and then by company. Not only can you filter, you can also sort, and I'll click OK. If I check by scrolling across to the right, I will see that the people in this list come from London or Madrid, and it's sorted. And there's not 90 recipients, there's a lot less. So I'll click OK. I'll then click the option on my Mail Merge task pane called Edit Individual Letters. Or I could click the Finish and Merge button and choose Edit Individual Letters. I'll click OK. And the result I get is just 9 letters instead of 90, and they'll all be from London or Madrid.